Hello guys, I am SuperFireCharge, and today I'm bringing you a react video. I'm going to react to funny cat videos. If you want to see part 2 of this, smash that like button in the face and subscribe for more stuff like this. Leave down in the comments what you want me to do next. It can be gaming, it can be something like this. I have Steam, I have a computer, I have a lot of stuff. Subscribe, smash the like button in the face. That's really it. Now, let's get into this video. Let's go. Phew. These cats are also like adorable. Also, sorry if this is a bit wobbly. Oh no. No! Don't take me with you. Oh. Oh my god, poor kitty. Oh my god. Show me a second movie, cat. My life sucks. Yeah. Yes, cat. Yes, it does. Yeah. I'll see you guys out as I can. Sorry, guys, if it's a little. Ah. Can't hold the camera straight. Oh, hold on, hold on. How did I do that?
I want everybody to meet Burger and Fries.
Wow, that cat is the devil. Devil cat. Can't give him horns. Oh jeez. Oh, my mom showed me this on Facebook.
Keep going.
Oh my god. That cat reminds me of my cat. Oh, also, if you want me to do a video on, like, my cat, showing you how mellow they are, showing you about this stuff, then smash the like button in the face and leave that down in the comments. Put hashtag cats if you want me to do a video on my cats and stuff like that. Hashtag cats, girls. I just went to the doggy massage place and yeah. Oh my god. OMG! OMG, bro. Yeah. Look, I want the glass. I want the glass, please. Aww. Oh my god. Cat is adorable. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, woman. Thank you. Shut up and get me out of here.
Can you not get out of here?
Very funny. Smart person, just help me. Not gonna say bad words. Okay, guys? Oh, this one won America's Cutest Cats 1 year. Good. What's on there?
Oh, you look like a little monkey.
Help me. Phew. Buddy. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum. I believe I can fly. Ba-dum. Oh! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. And I'm gonna get you. Can't run from here. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I love this one. Oh. Oh, Dan puts music like this in his videos. I'll leave the link to his channel in the description if you want to go check him out. Okay? Leave the link in the description. You can go check Dan out. He's an awesome gamer. He does Minecraft videos. I don't know if you like that, but it's just awesome. The big dog just backs down. I love how that happens. So funny. Oh, God. Poor cat. Wait, I'm gonna check how much now. I'll probably sell this halfway. Is that the dancing? Oh, it's a fake. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my. Bye. Are they gonna fetch or what's happening here? Oh my God, they fetched it. Oh, this is, oh my God, that guy is fat. That cat is fat. That cat is fat. That cat is fat, 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 fat. What the heck? He thinks there's another kitty there.
На старт. Внимание. Отдай.
Oh my God.
Отдай. 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 Отдай, как сказал. Отдай. 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 Oh, that's a good. You don't win the box. You don't win the match. Ow! You see, he already cut me a wide open.
Wow. Wow. Oh my God, those cats are freaking deadly. Well, I hope I'm speaking loud enough for you guys here.
Come on.
Can you
Mommy's sorry.
see those cats? Oh!
Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty.
I'll stop this right here, probably. Oh Jesus, it's gonna haunt me. But I've stared at it. But just tear into the soul. It's gonna stare into your soul. Anyway. Anyway, my name's Super Charge. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button in the face if you want to see part 2. And subscribe to my channel. I will do gaming, put any or stuff like this. Put in the comments what you want to see next. And I hope I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. So what? No, I'm kidding. Goodbye, guys. See ya.